before we get into it, okay, a little bit of context. Davido hasn't dropped a single this year. And that's a massive, massive, massive observation because this man has been around he has been in the airwaves, bro. And he has been so strong and relentless with his features. I mean, going from Tennis for You to K-Star remix with Focalistic, which we're getting like a part 2 of with this collaboration. We've gotten Somebody Baby with Peruzzi. We've gotten which other record? A disaster of a record, but it was still a song that made its own grounds. It was Chocho with Zlatan. Which other feature again? I'm blanking on one. Oh, Hi. Yes, Hi with Adekunle Gold. A massive hit. Different quarters of the year, like Davido has been present regardless. His brand of superstardom is different. We just saw him practically beg, not beg, but it was his birthday and he celebrated it by asking his friends, his rich friends, to donate 1 million naira each. Shut down the entire internet and everyone got like, bro, this shut down, like, if there's anything about Davido's superstardom, it's this level of influencing, man. This man is super influential that his brand is so relatable, bro. Like, as crazy as you can seem, the cruise level, he has this personality that none of the other big A-list artists can touch. I'm sorry, I love every artist for different reasons, but Davido's personality and how he presents himself, this so not like don't take life so serious type navigation that he has about his PR. It's so well done, and this was another evidence of that when he goes on with this we rise by lifting others kind of rant and then getting people to donate. But yeah, nonetheless, I think Davido is about to get into a moment with this one. This is a song that has been teased for so long. A lot of people have felt like they've even heard the entire song already. But regardless, I haven't heard the entire song. I've heard only snippets like every other person. But let's see how it's saying, man. This is supposed to be a moment with Focalistic. Should we see this with the video? I want to see this with the video. Yes, the Tion Wayne record was good. To see the entire context of the song, because he presented the song to us in a video, so it's right to do it justice. You know what I mean? Let's do it justice. This is Davido, Focalistic with Champion Sound. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. It's Amapiano. You're not gonna tire me, Sha. I know everybody's tired, but not me. I'm sorry. If it's a vibe, it's a vibe. Forget. Hey. Man. Yo, this is already a vibe. The scene is so electric. The man had gathered so many people of different ethnicities. It feels like a vibe. It feels like a mosh. You know what I mean? That shot about them coming in the circle, like, like, bro, the imagery to this is already there, man. I think this is UK, or where is this? Energy. Let's go. Come on. Take me out. Hey. Wait. Oh shit. That nigga said light me up, no Faraday. I'm crying. Hey. It said no workouts because of lockdown. Yeah, me too, Seb. I didn't work out during lockdown, clearly. The way I'm feeling right now. Oh shit? Oh shit? 10 years I never gone down. Talk your shit, Davido. Talk. Remind them. Remind them 10 years will never come. I'm not gonna cap. Those drum runs. I said drum runs. Those drum rolls are like, they're not really doing it for me, man. Like, these drum rolls at this part of the song, you just got like the lock drums and the drum rolls. Yeah, like, so this will be laggy. Davido energy. Let's bring it back up. Come on. Is it just me, or like, why did this all of a sudden Davido go in the background? Like, why? There's nothing in the foreground of the sound right now. It's just the beat and the snares on the drums. Like, at this point, like, you want the meat of the. I don't understand the meat of the song is there, the production, but I feel like Davido with what he was doing at the background should have actually taken some precedence. Do you know what I mean? The mixing just felt like, okay, like he's taking it. They're just losing the momentum that they had at the beginning of the song. It's just consistently like you're losing the momentum that the song had. Hey. Okay, this part is picking up. Hey, hey, come on. Oh, that was a vibe. Look, that was a vibe. Like, this part, I like this part. Hey, come on. Nah, David is cruise, bro. Now bring Davido up there, man. That's Stone Boy. Yo, Pato, J5. I bet it must have been fun to be on this shoot, man. It's just like a party itself, man. That's hey, but that was still vibey, man. That was still vibey regardless. Like there were moments in the song that it became a little bit difficult to like keep the momentum, and I like that. And I know that Amapiano records usually have those transition moments where they pause the beat for like a break. And you guys hear me, or if you guys watch my reviews a lot, I've like sometimes it helps to give a listener a break sometimes. And this is a 4-minute song, so there's some length to it. But like it was nice that there were moments where the producer kind of changed the momentums, which was good and dandy. But it got to the point where it's like it kind of pulled so much out of the song. Like the momentum the song had just died completely. Like it got into a pocket where I was like, it was a little bit iffy to like keep the vibe up, to keep the moment up. And then we started hearing Davido in the background. Bro, like what's up with that? Like what's up with that feature of taking Davido away from the foreground of the song? Like it just didn't make sense to me, like to have that happen. And like I thought the momentum would come back even stronger, but it kind of tried it towards that part where they had some panning shots through the London Bridge type thing, like that part of the song where they had like a pan shot through the London Bridge. That part was kind of bringing it back up, but I didn't think it ever met up with what was in the beginning. You know what I mean? And it's like it's fair to have that. It's fair to have that kind of arrangement, but not a perfect record, but still an okay song. I know that's still gonna move. This is Davido's first song of the year, like his first single of the year. It's gonna move, but it's sad that he feels like he's a feature on the song. It's just kind of like, bro, I would have wanted a little bit more from Davido. I would love for it to feel more like a Davido record as opposed to being a Focalistic record. Not to say like I don't like Focalistic and his sound here, but I think the streets was wanting David. You know what I mean? The streets wanted David to get in his bag, to be in our faces, to be very strong. All those inflections that he does, all those like shake bay, you know what I mean? Like that energy, like I think all of that was missing. That Davido elements was lacking on this. Like this song definitely did more Davido elements to it, and it was a little bit. It was lacking. I'm not gonna lie. It was lacking a lot of Davido, but it's not a terrible record or whatsoever. How you guys feeling about it so far? It's got 78% of it. Okay, 78%. Someone said, Nana said, it's a no, but yes. I see you. I get you, Nana. I see it. I see what you mean. Paul says, excuses, it's not a strong single for Davido's first single. Okay. Okay, it's not a strong single. I see what you're saying. Imanos, someone said you should stop forcing it. LOL. I stopped forcing what? You guys thought I was forcing the record. I told you about the moments where it died down. And I pointed it out the moments it died down. But it picked up towards the end. But like at the end of the day, if you feel like it wasn't your vibe, it's fine. Okay. But trust me, man. There's no reason to be forcing a good vibe out of a song that doesn't have a vibe. There's no reason. If it doesn't have a vibe, I'll tell you it doesn't have a vibe. But this one clearly did. At the beginning. So there's no banter around that one. Word on the street that Davido has an EP for Focalistic. Yes. We heard about this like a long time ago that he has a whole ass EP with Focalistic. They have a good chemistry. I'm not gonna lie, they have good chemistry, but I feel like a whole ass EP right now would be doing too much. It'd be doing too much. I think it'd be doing too much. But we'll see if the streets want it. The streets will want it. But me, I'm not looking for a Focalistic and Davido stretched out EP. I like that the chemistry is good. K-Star Remix was phenomenal. But like K-Star Remix is a good example to point out how Davido took a lot of precedence, at least in the first verse that he came in. That was a lot of Davido's elements, man. Like if you hear K-Star Remix, the intro, how Davido entered, I don't think we got that here. I don't think we got that Davido here. But it was still the vibe. It was still Focalistic's moment. It was Focalistic's atmosphere, if anything. It didn't feel like both of them.